Hey guys, welcome to my channel. So today's video, we're going to be doing the cabin air filter in the Mazda CX30. So as I'm recording this video, there's not any like Mazda CX30 cabin air filters and engine air filters. So I did have to get those directly from the parts department, but also check in the description down below. I'm going to keep an eye on Amazon and other websites. And if these filters pop up anywhere else, I'm going to add them down in the description down below. So if you don't see any links, so definitely go to your Mazda dealership, go to the parts department and get these for super cheap. Hopefully later on they will pop up on Amazon, so definitely check down the description down below. There might be the links. All right, so to get started with the cabin air filter, we're actually going to go into the passenger side, into the glove box. We're just going to go ahead and open that up. Make sure that you have all your stuff out because we're going to need into this kind of this top shelf area. And right up here, there's going to be 4 tabs, and you're going to pull these tabs kind of towards you. When you do that, it's going to kind of push that up against that. So you're going to pull the tabs towards you, and then you're going to drop this whole panel down. It is kind of hard to do it one-handed because you're going to have to like use like a nail to kind of pull this down a little bit. But let me go ahead and get this process started. I suggest starting from one of the sides, use a nail to kind of pull down that corner. And then once you get it down, you can kind of like keep that tension, and then as soon as you pop the other tabs, this whole thing will then just drop straight down. So then once that drops down, you're just going to go ahead and pull it straight out. And then right inside here, you can kind of see this little pattern, like the little zigzag up and down. That's actually your filter. So there's going to be a tab on the top side and on the bottom side. So you're going to kind of pinch those 2 tabs together and then pull the entire thing out. And just like that, it slides straight out of here. And if you're not sure, this is actually the filter for your air conditioning. And you can kind of see how dirty and gross that one is. So let's go ahead and compare it to the new one so you can really see the difference between the old dirty one and the new one. All right, so this is the old filter right here out in the sunlight. But whenever you put it down next to the new one, you can definitely see a huge difference. This one's sitting on the box here, but look at that. This is the air going through the air conditioning, and this is what kind of like what blows through your vents. So this is definitely how you want to have it, and this is why it is important to replace your cabin air filter. A lot of people don't know these exist. That's fine. It's understandable. I get it, but now you know, and definitely want to replace these. All right, so let's go ahead and get this new filter put in. So I don't know if you can really see it right there. It says direction of airflow, and it's pointing straight down. But you can also look at the Mazda logo right there. And the Mazda logo is going to be pretty much upright exactly how you see it there. Same with like the part number on there. It's going to be all like legible upright. So that's how you're going to install it. But let's go ahead and put the new filter in. So for the new filter, it's just the same way as we pulled the old one out. You just take it, and you're just going to slide it straight in. There we go. You're going to push it all the way back until you hear the 2 clicks. I guess it kind of popped in at the same time, but now you're just going to go ahead and take your little cover. Make sure you get these 4 tabs and like the little grooves down here at the bottom. So you're going to put that in and then swing it right back up into place, snap those tabs, and just like that, your cabin air filter is replaced. Now you can enjoy some nice fresh air coming through your vents. But if this video helped you guys out, definitely go down and hit that like button down below, and also hit that subscribe button if you want to see more videos like this, or if you have any other videos you want to see, put them down in the comments down below, and I can see if I can go ahead and make those. I'd be able to help you guys out. But like I said, if you do see a link in the description down below for these on Amazon, then that means they have come out on Amazon. If you don't see an Amazon link down below, that means you still have to go to the dealership to pick up the ones for the CX30. It is different filters than the CX5 and CX3, so definitely check out the dealership, go to the parts department, and you can pick those up super cheap. But like, subscribe, and as always, thank you for watching.